Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E15 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and let me go back. And here in this general list you have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on date and time, so the third option. And here we've got some options which are currently inactive, that's why we cannot change them manually. It is because we are using the automatic options, so let's tap on this first option and tap on off. Here in the automatic time zone, just tap on the switcher to turn it off also. And now we can freely tap on set date and choose the date from the calendar, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just choose it from the clock, first of all hours, then minutes. Confirm it with OK. We can select the time zone and just tap on this option, select time zone, tap on the region, and here we've got the full list of available regions, so find yours and tap on it and it will be almost immediately applied. As you can see here, we've got it. Of course, be aware because the time will be affected by the time zone you set. Here you can also decide what kind of clock format you want to use. Currently we are using the automatic option, which is local, but we can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher, and now we can either use the 12-hour format right now or 24-hour one just by tapping on the switcher. So it's totally up to you. So here we've got the whole manual customization of date and time. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers and choosing the either network provided time or GPS provided time option here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.